Good morning, Mrs. Eicher's class.
Good morning.
All right, today we are going to finish, if we can ever get it to pop up on the screen, there it is, our 2.1 dividing to get mixed number quotients notes. You guys, can you divide to get mixed numbers now?
Yes.
You can?
Yes.
Sweet. A mixed number. A mixed number is a whole number that is combined with a what?
Fraction.
Say again?
Fraction.
A fraction. Now, what's a fraction? Fraction, a number less than 1, agree or disagree? Agree or disagree?
Agree.
A fraction is part of a whole? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Where does a fraction live?
0.
Lives between 0 and 1. What else lives between 0 and 1?
Decimal.
What else is part of a whole?
Decimal.
What else is less than 1?
Decimal.
So, would you say fractions and decimals are pretty much the same thing?
Yes.
They just look different, right? But they're really the same thing. All right, we said remainders are weak. Remainders are weak, yes?
Yes.
Let's prove it. We have 5 divided by 2, yeah? Okay, so our original problem, when you started doing these notes, you just had 5 divided by 2. You had that in green there, right? Does 2 go into 5? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, so we put a 2 up here. 2 times 2 is 4. This is our long division that we know how to do. 5 minus 4 is 1. Is there anything to bring down?
No.
So normally we would say that our answer is 2 remainder 1, yes?
Yes.
But we're not doing remainders anymore, are we? We're going to take our leftover number, 1, and we're going to make it the numerator of a fraction, yes? Because it's saying we have 1 part left over. Okay, and then we're going to write our fraction bar, and we've got the divisor. What's the divisor? 2. That's now going to become our denominator, yeah? So we're saying we got 1 part left over, and we're going to split it into 2 different parts, yes? Does that make sense? So does that tell you more information? If I said 2 remainder 1, you're like 2 with 1 left over. But instead we're going to say 2 with 1 of 2 parts left over. Yes or no? Does that make sense? Okay, well, what about like this one? I'm not going to do this whole problem, number 5 or number 6. But what was our remainder if we were solving with remainders? 3. That actually becomes our numerator of the mixed number, yes?
Yes.
What's the divisor?
5.
That becomes the denominator of our mixed number?
Yes.
You picking up what I'm laying down?